The Chief of Staff reiterates the value of having been able to get Dansalan College the last few days by our troops. And he extends his congratulations to the troops of JTF Marawi and all our other forces who have successfully been able to get this very strategic area. Just to elaborate a little bit, Dansalan College sits on an elevated area, a hill, and has a good vantage point of the whole areas around it. Other than that, the college has a lot of good constructed buildings, well-constructed buildings that are very defensible. Gawa po ng hollow blocks at bato. At ang dahil nasa hill na siya, tapos may mga matataas pang building, mas maganda ang vantage view niya sa lahat ng anggulo sa may lugar na kinaroroonan niya. Kaya ito yung naging isang maselang operasyon dahil lahat ng pagpasok dito kitang-kita sa lugar ng Dansalan. Kanya itong mga nakarang araw nung nakuha na to, we cleared the buildings as well and of any kind of explosives or any traps that may have been left by the enemy.